Hello! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today I will be reacting to The Sound by Stray Kids. It was the most voted on the poll that I posted last time, and yeah. And by the way, don't know if you saw my community post the other day. So basically I've created a Patreon account, and you have to, in order to support me there, you have to join as a member and join my page. It will be £3 a month, but yeah, check out the Patreon. I will add the link in the description below, and in that account I can post whatever copyrighted video I can that YouTube does not allow here. So yeah, I will still be posting the videos on the YouTube account, but on the Patreon they will be fully unedited, no blocking, etc. You can watch the whole video with me. So yeah, Sound by Stray Kids. Let's get straight to it. So I know there are two versions of the lyrics, and I know the MV is in Japanese, so I'm gonna be watching the Korean lyrics and then the Japanese lyrics and then the MV and then my commentary.
시끄럽게 때려박는 리듬 위에다 고막에 치고 받는 베이스 드럼 거기다 외쳐보내기의 쇼 쳐지지 않게 고개를 끄덕여 맞춰 템포 박자 Driving me crazy 이 음악에 맞춰 딱딱 미쳐 올라가는 중이네 텐션 박정인 끈둔 타고 불러라 anthem The crowd's gonna follow us 다 불러 힘차게 더욱 세게 bang bang gotta shut it out now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 조명이 꺼진다 해도 어둠을 밝히는 This time my time, it's time my time 크게 울려 퍼지는 함성 소리를 들으며 몸을 움직여 This time my time, it's time my time 더 멀리 퍼져나가는 우리 음악이 들리며 몸을 움직여 갈수록 더 벅차오르는 이 감정 활력가 끝날 때까지 흥분을 못 감춰 끝이 없는 호흡 닿고 뱉어 숨이 가빠올라도 멈출 수 없어 이판사판 뛰어노란 막장 떼창으로 칼답잡 악본 가사의 머릿속에 리액션을 포장 장경을 담아 cheers 분위기에 지혈랄라 남녀 no stop peers 이러다가 날 번갈아 Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 조명이 꺼진다 해도 어둠을 밝히는 This time my time, it's time my time 더 크게 울려 퍼지는 함성 소리를 들으며 몸을 움직여 This time my time, it's time my time 더 멀리 퍼져나가는 우리 음악이 들리며 몸을 움직여 더 커져가는 목소리 울려 퍼지는 멜로디 더 크게 높여 volume up 조금 더 가까이는 함성 소리가 멀리 퍼져간다 절 거면 운동장 불 밟으면 양궁장 진짜 내 찾는다면 여기 우리 음악장 타오르는 내 감정 타오르는 순간장 타오르는 불길 This is how we give up down This time my time, it's time my time 더 크게 울려 퍼지는 함성 소리를 들으며 몸을 움직여 This time my time, it's time my time 더 멀리 퍼져나가는 우리 음악이 들리며 몸을 움직여 시카리 또 붙이고 놀리지 문이 now 고타임 밑에 삐고 베이스 드럼 포기 털 간지rum만 말이 show 가츠린 어색해라도 with the kanjo 템포 같아 driving me crazy a bit too ready 타타
느낌이 사라니 I got
gather my attention 쏟아내긴 더 못해 웃다운 anthem The crowd's gonna follow us 도둑게 삐차게 붙여 bang bang gotta shut it out now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시 다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound It's the sound 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound It's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up 모자란 모둠을 나른 나의 fire 마크가 우리 태목하고 쓴 나의 감정 길이 나의呼吸 Let my breath out 이기웃을 때 once more 하키다서 웰컴 니치가 빠지카 아타라시 가로택차 타고 나시 아돌리블리아 손대 후르 소착 오모이 코메디 cheers 스탠이 목힘을 탄탄 나니 목하면 pierce 이마 gotta fly here right now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spell This is the sound, it's her sound 모래 모기 비커스 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound, it's her sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up 붓고 터치는 rhapsody, rhapsody 딱 하나로 this melody, melody I get to equal volume up, max it up全てが一つになって広がるんだ I gotta take it to this time, I gotta take it to our sound Get down to destination, this is our music life 뭐야 가로 스테이지가 마야 가로 like the jack 착한 나라 beat and beat, this is our music life This is the sound, it's the sound 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound, it's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up What I do, what I do 시카리 또 붙이고 몰리지 문이 now 그 타임 리치 삐고 베이스 드럼 포기 털 간지rum만 말이 show 가츠리 no 세케라도 with the kanjo 템포 같아 driving me crazy your beat so ready top top 사랑이 I got take my attention 쏟아내긴 더 못해 웃다운 anthem The crowd's gonna follow us 도둑게 삐차게 붙여 bang bang gotta shut it out now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound, it's the sound 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound, it's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up 모자란 모둠을 나른 나의 fire 마크가 우리 태목하고 쓴 나의 감정 길이 나의呼吸 Let my breath out 이기웃을 때 once more 하키다서 웰컴 니치가 빠지카 아타라시 가로택차 타고 나시 아돌리블리아 손대 후르 소착 오모이 코메디 cheers 스탠이 목힘을 탄탄 나니 목하면 pierce 이마 gotta fly here right now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spell This is the sound, it's her sound 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound, it's her sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up Oh, 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 oh. 꿋꿋하지는 rhapsody rhapsody 딱 하나로 this melody melody I get to equal volume up max it up全てが一つになって広がるんだ I gotta take it to this time I gotta take it to our sound Get down to destination This is our music life 뭐야 가로 스테이지가 뭐야 가로 락표자 착한 나를 feed and beat This is our music life
So, that was my reaction to The Sound by Stray Kids. One of my subscribers, they basically wrote in the polls, in the comments of the poll votes, they basically said that that they prefer they're the ones who told me that it's Japanese originally and they have a Korean version and they prefer the Japanese version first because that's what they heard first. In my opinion, I like both, but I like to agree with them as well. I do prefer the Japanese version. I don't know what it is, but for some reason the Japanese version feels more, I don't want to say like more energetic, but it's just much more, it feels more faster and just more, I don't know, kind of like you mean what you say in the Japanese version than the Korean version, because like I said, the sound is originally Japanese, so, and obviously the MV was in Japanese, but I just prefer the Japanese version than the Korean version. I don't exactly have a reason why, as you can tell I'm struggling to explain it here, but overall I really like the song. The MV was really cool. The rapping was sick as always, and the vocals as well. And I really love the piano interlude that comes in from break to break, like break between each verse. I mean, the piano is so like soothing, and then all of a sudden you just whoosh, you go straight back to the song, to the bass. With the meaning of the song, I guess it's just like they're like basically saying that they find that music just kind of gives them a lot as artists or creatives. The music kind of creates, like, somehow music is not just music, you know. For most people it's not, but for other people it's like, especially artists, it means so much more deep than that. It's creating like unity, I guess, as a group, as with them, freedom to explore their personalities, to express their emotions, their real emotions, and being honest with us, and happiness, of course. Overall, they find music, creating music and showing and releasing songs that they've written, gives them happiness, gives them joy, you know, and to continue with this career, if I'm making sense. And I really like the bridge where they mention the puta, which is from Castle in the Sky, which I haven't seen in ages. Oh my god. If you guys, I don't know if I mentioned it here before, but Castle in the Sky, anime in general, I love anime. I never used to like it before because, this is a very petty reason, but it's because I didn't want to fall into the Asian stereotype where every Asian watches anime. You know, every Asian watches K-pop. Because not all of them are the same, and I didn't want to fall into that stereotype, but I fell into it because I was introduced to it by a friend, so and they're not even my kind of Asian, they're from Bangladesh. But they introduced me to this because they're kind of like a nerd in all of this, in anime, in sci-fi, comics, graphic novels. That's literally how I got introduced to most. Well, I know already about them, but I mean, I became a fan of these genres or these varieties of different things through that friend. So anime I love, like Studio Ghibli stuff, and maybe I kind of want to react to them as well on here, and also, but yeah, before I go on a tangent, Castle in the Sky, Laputa, they reference that. Maybe it's because the way that Laputa is floating in the sky is very, very smooth, very, very flowy, kind of like no stress, just relaxing, and the sky looks so pretty behind it. Explains kind of like how they are moving in unity, how they're always united as a group with their music, with their friendship with each other, or brotherhood, I guess you can say. But yeah, I mean, I really, really love the song, and I've never heard of it, of course, so thank you so much for recommending it. But yeah, that'll be it for my reaction today. So a little reminder, this video will be uploaded on Patreon as well as YouTube, but on Patreon it will be unedited, so nothing will be blocked, etc. But yeah, and this will be uploaded I would say 2 or 3 days before I upload it on YouTube, so as long as with the other videos that I'm going to upload soon. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please check out my socials in the description below, and also I have an Etsy shop. I sell fan art, from BTS to sci-fi to Star Wars to Bridgerton even, greeting cards, stationery and whatnot, and I also ship worldwide, not only in the UK, so please check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.